Acupressure point to cure thyroid. The thyroid is an important organ that supports regulate growth during the development of your body. However, when this gland malfunctions, it provides either more or less of the thyroxine hormone. When one looks at thyroid conditions, the symptoms are not always present at an early stage and eventually influence every organ in the system. They tell the organs how slow or fast it should work. With acupressure therapy, one can treat thyroid elements at an early stage, especially if you do not know that you have a dysfunctional thyroid. One can cure it naturally by taking part in naturopathy, yoga, and acupressure. Using the acupressure points for thyroid disorders mentioned here will help to balance and stimulate the thyroid gland. It will help to enable the flow of energy to move and restore your thyroid gland. Thumb. The human thumb is full of sensitive nerve endings. This allows the thumb to perform the most delicate and detailed tasks. It also makes the thumb a focal point for several important pressure points. Applying pressure to these thumb can help provide relief to a long list of ailments. Here we are showing thyroid acupressure point on thumb. Hold your left hand thumb with right hand as shown in video. Rub your finger in clockwise and anti-clockwise for 2 to 3 minutes. And change your hands. Now rub your right thumb with your left hand in clockwise and anti-clockwise directions. Do this acupressure therapy daily in the morning for 2 to 3 minutes. Follow this simple remedy and get rid from dangerous thyroid disease. One can cause in combination with your medication. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.